Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This week, we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars Coffee monthly meetup for September. And this is the Walkabout cam. We're going to take a selfie stick and a camera and go around and look at all the cars and show you some of the highlighted cars that we like. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. It was a great show, great event. It's always great because it's on a Sunday. I love that it's on a Sunday because you don't have to worry about all the other events from Saturday bleeding over and you having to rush from one to one to one to one to one. Because we've had to do that. We've had to do 3 events in one day. And it's not fun. Anyway, so it's great that it's on Sunday. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Sorry guys, I had to stop and take a picture. That was a good looking Ford, wasn't it guys?
Picked it up and the whole bottom blew out. Is that payback for kill switching you? Yeah. No, now you're gonna regret it.
Sorry guys, had to stop and take a picture. That was a good looking Ford, wasn't it, guys?
Picked it up and the whole bottom blew out.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for September. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a good time out there. We always have a good time because it's on a Sunday. It's kind of laid back, kind of chill. It's not got the whole car show, I'm here for a trophy vibe. We're all there just hanging out, having a good time, shooting the breeze, BSing, whatever you want to call it. Talking cars. It's a great event. We always enjoy it. It helps that it's on a Sunday. Anyway, there were a lot of cool cars out there. I hope you guys enjoyed the cars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're trying to do all these different things to get the 500 subscribers, the 500 we need to get our YouTube ad revenue coming in. Any help you guys could be on that would be great. Just liking and commenting and subscribing. You can comment just your thumbs up and it helps. I mean, anything helps. Share it around to your friends, your car people, your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. We don't care. We try to accept everybody. So, just whatever you can do to share it around, subscribe, whatever. Any little bit helps. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.